What's up, guys? Tim here. Everything sharp. Got rained out today, so let's do a pocket dump before we empty our pockets. Today we got the Asher Knife Spiro in the Twill silver carbon fiber liner lock 20 CV. No, it's S90V. I'm sorry, my fault, guys. And then the slip joint we got today, QSP Hedgehog. Got the blue carbon fiber on it. Very sharp knife. Titanium bolsters. M390 blade. And then for a flashlight, we got the Streamlight Wedge XT. That was today's carry. And we kept the QSP in a Jack Wolf Knives leather slip. Thank y'all for watching. Stay sharp.